If you have a Gen Z lawyer, you are not beating your case, because I had jury duty the other week and the person on trial was there for robbing a gas station without a weapon. So you wouldn't think they would get that big of a punishment, but I knew they were cooked right when their lawyer walked in, because first of all, he had that fluffy, messy Gen Z haircut, which is fine, but not in court. The judge ain't taking you seriously with that haircut. But that wasn't even the bad part, because the whole time he was trying to talk during the trial, it was a mess. Like, he would be explaining why his client wasn't guilty, but then the lawyer going against him would interrupt him and say something. So eventually, the Gen Z one got fed up and he was like, are you gonna let me speak? But then there was another moment where he crashed out because the other lawyer said, Your Honor, if this man isn't punished for his crime, he will do it again. And the Gen Z lawyer just went, nuh-uh. So let's just say that man did not win his case.